Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Obviously Johnny Alex, subscribe, check it out. But today I'm working on replacing my outer tie rods on this car, both driver and passenger side, so we're gonna get down on that right now. First things first, we're gonna jack up the car, get the wheels off, and then we'll check it out after that. Alright, taking the wheel off. Throw it under the car. And this is what we're looking at for the outer tie rod. Is it right here? See, bolt up top. Let me get the tools. But yeah, you can see how these are busted. So replace these. I'm sure it'll give us smoother riding, but we'll see. I'm gonna do the lower ball joints too sometime soon. Have those new. Yeah, there you go. You see they're shot up as well. But yeah, we're just gonna do the outer tie rods for now. We'll do that later. Alright guys, so to get this outer tie rod out, obviously you're gonna need the fork to, push it out like that. You're gonna need a 17 mil on top of this nut, then another 17 wrench for this right here. It'd be best to have two 17s, but I don't have two right now, so I only have one. But I got it loose before I undid it all, so that would work out just fine. Alright, I'm gonna get this all taken apart now and show you guys the rest. Alright guys, see, got it apart. Let me just twist this off. I'm gonna leave the nut right there because that's like the exact spot it was at. And just screw my new one back on. So let's get this off. That boot's destroyed. There we go. So that old one, it's been through some miles. This thing has 180K, but yeah, anyways. The new ones hopefully makes a difference in the ride, but anyways, let's get this on. All right, driver's side's all done. See that? Got this bolt tightened, that tightened, and it's looking good. All right, let's get it over to the driver's side. I mean, the passenger side's done, but all right, let's get this done. All right guys, so it's the same thing for how you did it to the passenger side or whichever way you do it. Alright guys, so it's the same exact way as you did the passenger side, driver side, same exact thing. Bolt right here, 17, 17, and then fork. So all you need. And also don't drop your GoPro in the dirt like I just did. So glad it's not broken. Anyways, let's get this done. Show you the end result. Alright guys, I got this side all done. All good to go, wherever it is. Somewhere in here, there it is. All good to go. Anyways, you guys like the video, like and share, subscribe for sure. Check out the rest of the channel and my other videos. Johnny Alex. All right, have a good night.